the two powerful empires that ruled over most of Europe. North Africa and the Middle East in the period between the birth of the Christ and the early part of the 17th century, say down to 630s, it was a period what we are talking about between the birth of the Christ, the first century AD, let us say birth of the Christ, to the 7th century AD. To be exact, it is 630 AD. So the time period between 1st century to 7th century, 630 AD, there existed two powerful empires. What are those two powerful empires that have ruled the largest part of European continent? The two empires were those of Rome and Iran. The Romans and the Iranians were rivals and fought against each other for much of their history. For a very long time, they fought against each other. This is the Roman Empire, as you all know, and this is the Persian Empire or the Iranian Empire. They fought always with each other. Their empires lay next to each other, separated only by a narrow strip of land that ran along the river Euphrates. So, what is the dividing point between these two lands? That is a very narrow strip of land that along the river Euphrates, this border, as you can see here. This is the dividing point between the two empires. As you can observe here, here also we have Black Sea, here also we have Black Sea. So it is the very close empires. The clear evident here. Rome dominated the Mediterranean and all the regions around that sea in both directions, towards the north as well as the south. So around the Mediterranean, towards the south and towards the north, it is dominated by the Roman Empire. That is their capital, Rome. To the north, the boundaries of the empire were formed by the two great rivers, that is Rhine and river Danube. The south, a huge expansion of the Sahara. The vast stretch of territory was the Roman Empire. As you can observe clearly here, Iran controlled the whole area south of the Caspian Sea down to the eastern Arabia and sometimes large parts of Afghanistan as well. So, the largest parts in Europe are controlled by Roman Empire and later by the Persian Empire. These two superpowers had divided up most of the world that the Chinese called Tai Chin, the Great Chin, roughly the West. So you can see here, the western part till this region, they had the influence of these territories. They divided the larger share of the world into two superpowers. These are the two powerful empires ruled over most of the Europe, that is the Roman and Iran or the Persian empires. The difference between the Roman Empire and Iranian Empire. The major difference between the two superpowers and their respective empires was that the Roman Empire was culturally much more diverse than the Iran Empire or the Persian Empire. So the Roman Empire is diverse in nature when compared to the Persian Empire. the Parthians, and the later the Sasanians. The dynasties that ruled the Iran in this period ruled over the population that was largely Iranian and mostly homogeneous in nature. In simple words, it is a same population. It's not so diverse as that of the Roman Empire. This is one of the major difference between the Roman Empire and the Iranian Empire. The Roman Empire, by contrast, was a mosaic of territories, cultures that were chiefly bound together by the common system of government. So the common point, what we saw, as you can observe here, the Roman Empire was a mosaic of territories. There are different territories combined together, different cultures living together. They all were bound by the common system of government. While in the Persian Empire, many languages were spoken in the empire, but for the purposes of administration, Latin and Greek were the most widely used, indeed, the only languages which were used in the empire. So, the major differences between the Roman Empire and the Iranian Empire: one, the diverse population; two, different cultures. They had a common system of government. When it comes to the languages which were spoken, the languages are Latin and Greek. These were the administrative languages. So these are the major differences between the Roman Empire and the Iranian Empire or the Persian Empire.